my name is Nora, and for camps today we are going to be making our own lava lamps. So you can do this in your kitchen. It might get a little messy, but for the most part it's going to be in our container. So you're going to want to use any container you want. I'm using a mason jar with the lid, but you can use a water bottle. If you've got a 2-liter laying around, you can use that. You're going to want to get some alkaseltzer. So I just got Kroger brand antacid that you can find in the first aid section of your grocery store. You're going to want any kind of food coloring you want. I've got a few different ones to choose from, but this is what you will use to decorate our lava lamps. You can use glitter, you can kind of add whatever you want to in there. And last, we're going to use vegetable oil, and we're going to make sure that we are near a sink because we're going to put some water in it, or that you've got a bottle of water or a cup of water laying around with you. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to add vegetable oil until most of our container is filled up. I am using 2 different ones to go ahead and use up what I had. So most of the way with vegetable oil, and then you're going to want to add water to the rest of it. So that is about how far I've filled up mine. And then we're going to add our water to the rest of it. So our water is going to go to the bottom, and that is because water and oil are both made up of very tiny molecules. And those molecules only mix well with other molecules like them. So our oil and water is going to separate. And the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to add our alkaseltzer. So what is going to happen is I'm going to break this up, and I am going to put it into our water and oil jar. And what is going to happen is the water is going to break down the alkaseltzer, and it is going to release carbon dioxide. So when the carbon dioxide is released, it's going to release bubbles with it, and that is what's going to help our lava lamp kind of make itself move around a little bit. So I'm going to add the alkaseltzer, and you can see it starts a little slowly, and then we're going to start to see that carbon dioxide reaction. And as it slows down, you can add more alkaseltzer. But at this moment, I'm going to add some food coloring to mine to see if I can make it look a little cooler. So I just went ahead and added a few squirts of food coloring to our lava lamp. And this is what you can experiment with. You can add as much as you like. You can add different colors if you want. You can also experiment with how much water and oil mixture you want to make. So if you've got a bigger jar, so you've got like a 2-liter, and you want to add less water and more oil just to see what that kind of lava lamp makes, then that is all what you can do. So I'm adding a lot of food coloring to mine just because I want mine to look really cool and have all of those carbon dioxide bubbles be able to mix up my food coloring. All right, so that is our couch camps for today. And if you make your own lava lamp and you want to send us in the lava lamps that you make, we would love to see them. So see you next time.